So what we created is basically a solution for an AI developer who is in making built-in AI plugins, but with a less number of code. Basically, our solution is AI DevLab apps. So
Yes.
this is a kind of dashboard we are going to show. So Amogh, you can proceed with the showcase of every part of in the
Yes.
dashboard.
So what we basically have here is a dashboard which shows a user how many AI models they have and how many AI models that have been deployed. And we also have the data sets which the APIs use from or fuel from basically to run their API models. And then we have a prediction model to show the accuracy of all the APIs altogether to give a proper functionality or an overview of what their complete API models are. Moving
Yeah.
on, we can go to
Basically, on the time constraint, we tend to see for the people who are in the beginning of the AI. So basically, our project deal with the cases that a beginner can able to train an AI, because we have a code which is line upon each model. So basically, we have a very smooth set of processes to train a model. First one is data upload. Once you upload the data here, you choose a data file to upload it out. So it comes to the model training part where you have to choose the data set. When we have to choose the data set, we can go for the regression and classification. You are also given with some of the pre-trained models so that you can compare with the accuracy and everything. You
yes,
can also test with the test size and everything. So once you're done with this part, you go for the deployment of that model. You can deploy by choosing that model here and just deploy based on the APIs and everything. You can also get the CURL and Python implementation. Also, you can implement on the JavaScript too. So moving ahead, you this is the perfect portion what we created right now. So Amogh is going to explain this portion. Amogh.
yeah. So basically, when you are an experienced developer, for example, you do not want to just have a prompt that helps you with the code. You want to integrate your own finesse. You want to give your own touch to your code or to the API that you're developing. This allows you the API that has been developed to integrate code into whatever API model you've been developing. There is also an option where you can use AI assistant. Let's assume that even as a developer, you do not have time, you have crunch time, or you are a beginner. You would like to go ahead with getting help from the AI, which is going to help you make up the code.
Okay, what you are doing in the backend must be seen by this customer directly. So for that, we have a drag and drop option. Also, you can go for the templates what we are creating, and you can download the code directly to the system. And you have a testing every time you have a deployment URL and everything to check whether the deployments URL and the Java URL are good or not. Based on the method of get, post, put, and delete, you can check the endpoint and whether the URL is in good condition or not. That those APIs can be used later on.